All right, so this is going to be a brief introduction to Google Sites. I believe most of you have used Google Sites before, so we're just going to go over a couple things real quick. So first, we're going to start with how you create your site. When you go to the link sites.google.com/new, which will be attached to Classroom, you'll click the bottom right, Create New Site. Once you click this, it will take about 10, 15 seconds or so to load. And here is our website. So the first thing you're going to want to do up here is change this from untitled site to whatever your topic's going to be. Topic. I'm just going to put. You'll see it changes right here. And here's where you're going to adjust your page titles. So you're going to want to have titles on every page. So this could be my introduction. Okay. And this will be my homepage. So on my homepage, I'm going to want to add a text box. So there's two ways to do this. You have this whole insert section over here. You can choose different layouts if you want. So say you want a picture and text. Here's now your picture and your text, nice and neat and set up for you. For your website, you're going to need to do a couple different things for me, and these are all going to be on the rubric. So let's start with the first thing, and that's how to add images. So you will click the images option over here. Upload or select, whichever one works for you. Upload is if you download it on your Chromebook. Select will give you the options to search by URL, to search Google, to search Drive, etc. You can also add an image or a text box by two-finger clicking down here, by rapidly double-clicking, sorry. You can add image, text, embed, you're not going to worry about for right now, from Drive, and upload. So if I wanted to add an image, I'd click here. So search Mary Voles. Let's see what shows up. That's not Mary Voles. Just click this. All right, there's a page, there's an image. I can then click the trash can to delete it. Next thing I want to show you is how to add pages. So this will be under your section over here that says Pages. If you click Pages, you'll see New Page, New Link. You're going to want a new page. Let's name this just for the sake of the argument, Page 2. Done. Here's my Page 2. Then I can add a Page 3, so on and so forth. What you can do right here with these three dots, you can choose which one's your home page. You can add a subpage. So a subpage would make a page underneath this. And now that's tucked under there. So I'm going to actually just delete that. I just wanted to show you how to do that. So you'll see your navigation up here. So homepage, page 2, page 3. Here is the way you change your navigation settings. So you can either have it on the top or on the side, whichever works for you. Next thing I'm going to show you is how to add a video. This is something you may have not done before. So you're going to click this insert option. You're going to scroll down until you find YouTube. And if you have a YouTube video selected already, you can just copy and paste the link right here. I don't have one, so I'm just going to search for me. I'm going to find one of my videos. I'm going to select. And now this video is here. This will not play if I click it because it's not set up to play. If you ever want to see what your website's going to look like for somebody who comes to it who is not editing it, you'll click here where it says preview. And now on my preview, I can play my video. Okay. So that's all set up there. The last thing you're going to need to know how to do is going to be how you publish your website and turn it in. I'll create another video and attach that to the assignment so you have that. So that's separate from everything else. But those are the basics of what you're going to need to do for this project.